Hello, my name is Dr. John McKeon and I'm here to tell you 3 things about what it means for a laundry detergent to be certified asthma and allergy friendly. First, a bit of background. Many people can be allergic to dust mite allergen, pet dander and other allergens that can build up in our bedding, our clothes and other washable items and fabrics at home. Taking care of these items by washing them regularly is a fundamental part of maintaining a healthier home environment. The Asthma and Allergy Friendly Certification Program addresses these issues by testing laundry detergents to its scientific standards. Now, we're going to look at 3 things our laundry detergent standard covers. 1. Consumers want to be confident that a laundry detergent can effectively remove allergens such as dust mite or pet allergens, so we test laundry detergents to make sure they reduce over 95% of allergens, including cat allergen and dust mite allergen, from those fabrics when they're washed with the detergent. 2. Laundry detergents can contain irritant or allergenic ingredients that can impact on those with sensitive airways. Therefore, we review the ingredients in the detergent to ensure it contains no added fragrances and that any chemicals with allergenic or sensitizing properties are either absent or if there, are there at suitably low levels. 3. We also test laundry detergents to make sure they have extremely low volatile organic compound emissions during their use. Look for laundry detergents that are certified asthma and allergy friendly to help you maintain a healthier home environment.